Hello, TubeRoadmap enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we've got a topic that's bound to pique your interest: earning on YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this video is tailored just for you. I'm your host, VJ, and let's dive into the world of making money on YouTube. Why YouTube? First things first, why choose YouTube? Well, it's not just a platform for cat videos anymore. With over 1 billion hours of content watched daily, YouTube has become a powerhouse for creators to showcase their talents and, of course, earn a living. The key is finding your niche and building a community around it. Monetization basics? Now let's talk money. To start earning on YouTube, you'll want to join the YouTube Partner Program. This unlocks various monetization features like ads, channel memberships, and Super Chat. But remember, to be eligible, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. So focus on creating engaging content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Diversify your revenue streams. Beyond ad revenue, think about diversifying your income streams. Explore affiliate marketing where you promote products and earn a commission. Merchandise is another avenue. Design cool merchandise related to your content. And don't forget about sponsorships. Working with brands relevant to your niche can be lucrative. Engage your audience. Your audience is your biggest asset. Engage with them through comments, social media, and live sessions. The more connected they feel, the more likely they are to support you. Encourage likes, subscribes, and shares to boost your visibility. A loyal community is more likely to contribute to your success. Conclusion. As we wrap up, remember that success on YouTube takes time and dedication. Consistency, quality content, and engagement are the keys to unlocking your channel's full potential. So whether you're sharing gaming tips, lifestyle vlogs, or educational content, there's a path to success for everyone. Thanks for tuning into TubeRoadmap, your guide to YouTube success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, happy creating.